Number one is resolution and quality. When you buy a camera, you need to make sure you got good quality and you have good resolution. Of course, 4K at least 30 frames per second. You can get good resolution in a ZVE10 or even a iPhone. Number two is autofocus. You need to make sure whenever you do videos, you need to be sharp and you need to be autofocus. You need to be focused, that way people can look at you at all time. Like if I would put my hand in front of the camera, it autofocus my hand, and if I take it off, there you have it, autofocus. Number three is low quality performance. And I have said it so many times, it don't matter if you buy an expensive camera, of course you will need at least a softbox to make your camera look way better. Don't just depend on your camera for low quality, buy a softbox. Number four is a flip screen. I'm a little controversial about this. The only issue is if you do have a flip screen, make sure you don't look at the flip screen. The flip screen is just for you to kind of angle yourself. Like right now I'm looking at the screen, but always make sure that you are looking at the lens. If you have an iPhone and you're considering starting your channel with an iPhone or a phone, you should buy one of these bad boys. That is basically a mirror and you can see the camera or the screen. Number five is audio input, and how a lot of YouTubers said 50% of video is audio. So consider yourself buying a good dynamic microphone or even any type of microphone, because I will guarantee you will sound better than the stock audio in your camera or even your phone. Connectivity is very important because you can have a USB-C and you can actually transfer your files from the camera to your laptop, or even if you have a phone, you can do it also. But if you don't have a lot of slots like I don't have in my MacBook Air, you can buy one of these bad boys, Anchor. It's basically a extender to it expands your slots in your laptop. So you got USB, USB-C, SD card, micro SD card, and you have a HDMI, and it has a simple USB-C cable to connect to your laptop. Number eight is battery life. Battery life can run out really quickly, don't matter if you have a ZVE10 or the most expensive camera that you have out there, even a phone. The battery life will last a bit of time because you are recording a 4K, 30 frames, 60, even 24 frames per second, and it takes a toll on your camera. So it's important to have a kind of spare battery on the side, or at least a power bank to have that camera recording at all time, and be careful with overheating. Number nine is interchangeable lenses. Interchangeable lenses are very important. That can make and break the video. Like this simple Sigma lens that I have is crucial for me. This is what I want. This gives me that blurry background that I want, and it's not breaking the bank. So once again, my name is Luis Garcia, and if you want to see a video about how to get more subscribers, and of course why your audio sucks, click this links right here. I hope to see you on a future video.